Alrighty guys, welcome back to another very special episode of Grim Reaper RC. In the RC four-wheel drive Toyota Trailfinder 2 4Runner is completely finished with the Toy Story themed delivery on here. So let's get right into the video today. Grab your RC, do some wrenching, do some cleaning, do whatever you gotta do to make sure your RCs are in tip-top shape, and let's jump right into the video. Before we get into today's video though, we are going to make sure that Ryan and Keegan get a huge shout out for this body here. Thank you guys so much for donating it to the Grim Reaper RC channel. And this is the third video in the series going through and painting it and everything like that. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And before we get into the video today, I'm going to throw in a quick clip of the Servons that I've put in a few other clips. Just try and add some more watch time and add a few more clips to the videos. I'll probably throw in a few different Hoonigan things as well towards the end of the video with the UDRs and everything like that. So we'll throw in those few clips and then we'll do a quick build breakdown. So taking a look at the Hoonicorn body, you guys can see it kind of has a blacked out zebra livery where it has a gray and darker black version of the livery all over it. Now it does have fake carbon fiber here, which I think looks absolutely insane. I love that little key detail stickers. Now you guys can see it also has the RTR badge, which Vaughn Gettin Jr. was working on RTR at the time, which is why him and Ken Block made this vehicle, which is absolutely insane. It's not like Ken Block was wrenching on this, but you guys know what I mean. The Ken Block team at Hoonigan to make the Hoonicorn. I love the diffuser on here, especially on the HPI version. I'm not a big fan of the team associated RC version. I did have it on my channel. I had the Hoona truck and the Hoonicorn. I will probably be doing a video on the Hoona truck because that will be for sale on my eBay page as well. That is linked in the description box down below. I love all of the little details like the donut derelict and everything on here. The 43 with the skull. Pennzoil sticker. We did custom paint the rims and everything on here. The Monster Energy sticker, which is the original one that is all grayed out, which I think they did keep as well on the real one. Pennzoil sticker, and you can see a better view of the diffuser here, which looks absolutely awesome. Custom white painted method rims, which is basically what he had as well, which is exactly the same thing, which painting those rims was kind of a light pain. The Monster Energy sticker, which is absolutely awesome on here, and Forza Horizon, which many of you have played that video game, one of the absolute best video games there is out there. You can drive the Hoonicorn, you can drive any of your basically dream vehicles on there, unless there is a no livery ban on it, because I remember, I think a bunch of you who played would know that you could not have the Toyota Supra for a long time until they did update it. I did grow up on Forza Horizon 3, so it's really cool to have these stickers on here. Gymkhana Grid, which Ken Block was doing in and around at this time. I do not think he was using this vehicle though. We do have the Ford sticker, more Forza Horizon stickers, Pennzoil sticker, Hoonigan sticker. You guys can even see the little GoPro sticker right there, which is absolutely awesome. Stickers of the radiator. X's. We did make the custom blacked out hood. We did use the custom twin turbo fans and the intake manifold from Leah Block's Hoonicorn. Custom Toyo tire stickers up top. The 43 Monster Energy sticker. You guys can see even more of the carbon fiber stickers on the side and how much this body really does poke out. Now the thing is with the team associated one, it is not like that whatsoever. So I am a much bigger fan of the HPI. Even though underneath you guys will see that this is a custom Tamiya TT01E with a carbon fiber chassis, all aluminum upgrades and parts and everything like that. So if you guys haven't seen this already, it will be in the description box down below, but it will be on my eBay page, JUSROM dash and then the number 8. So go check that out. So taking a look, I am a huge fan of all of the 4Runners. Actually, one of my family members do drive a 4Runner, so I do know a thing or two about actually the inside of what they look like and everything like that. So one of the really cool things is I ended up painting it white. I do love the white details with it and everything like that. I'm a huge fan of white interiors on cars, even though it's super hard to keep them clean, and I'm not sure they even came out with a white interior in the I believe this is an 89 4Runner. I love the body style of this. This is the square body. Everybody loves square bodies and hard bodies for the RC car series. I know many of you have seen my painting series. We've been doing so much We did do the full-on Hoonigan build series that has been going on for the past few years now, so make sure you guys go check that out if you haven't seen them already as well. We also have a few different chrome painted bumpers on here as well. We didn't paint the headlight buckets just to keep them that basically JDM style here. I did have a little paint drip, so I did a no wimps sticker as well. That's a quick little tip and trick, is to add some stickers anywhere you have some minor paint imperfections. I am a huge fan of the way that the interior came out. I did paint the dash itself white and the heads-up display, which isn't a heads-up display on this one, but is in the newer 4Runners. They kept that black just to keep it all basically black and white on the inside, which looks so cool. You guys can see I did keep the handles and everything like that black, and I did everything that would be faux leather, basically white. I love the hard body back in the white as well. I wish they made more options of colors and everything like that in these older versions. I think it would look so cool. I know that most cars now are basically in the grayscale, which is kind of a good thing, especially if especially for driving on the highway and everything like that. So taking a look, we can also see I did put the Yo sticker on the back of here. It's going to be a little bit dark for a second as well. We'll flip to the other side here as well. You guys can see that we also made the custom Pizza Planet stickers on the side, which looks so cool. I am probably going to add the phone number to them, but I did just want to get this video up and uploaded because I already have this series going on for the past month as well. And I'm probably even going to add a few more things into this video series. So make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe as well. We are uploading every single day in the 2025 series, which is absolutely insane. And I hope all of you enjoy it as well. Now, I'm a huge fan of the 4Runner series, basically because they always include little details like this. On the inside here, you can see that there's always these little stickers, and this is for the transfer gear shifting instructions. This is supposed to be on the inside, but I think it is absolutely so cool to put it on the inside where all of the little details are going to be for the engine and everything like that. I feel like everybody who has had one of these 4Runners or who does know anything about the 4Runner will know how to drive one of these, meaning that everybody will know basically how, basic by passing down knowledge. So you guys can see the Pizza Planet stickers as well. Were cut on a transfer sheet and then placed on the little white painting there as well. You guys can see how good it looks. I love also the white door card and the white trim on the windows. Also, it does include the metal stickers, which is so cool. It does include one for the front that I did not throw on because it isn't in the movie as well. But if you do end up having one of these bodies, you will get it in the package, so don't worry about that. And also, if you have the stock Toyota Trailfinder or just the regular Hilux one, then it does come with the body clips to make sure that you can fit the 4Runner body on. I love how the hood opens. The rear tailgate opens where we do have the Yo sticker, which looks so cool. And I also love the JDM style rear taillights too that are all white like that, which you guys can get the red paint for, or just do super light coats of red paint and you'll still see the lights behind it as well.